Hello and welcome to my channel, Tuscan Raider 66. I'm Mick, and every week I'll be posting videos of items from my personal Star Wars collection. Today I'm going to show you the models that I've made. They are the Falcon, R2-D2 and the X-Wing. These kits are all done by Deagostini, or Phantom as it's now known. Each month you receive 4 parts to your kit and a magazine with each part of your kit, with detailed instructions on how to build whichever model it is you're building. Unfortunately, I can't go through it step by step as they're already built, so what I've done, I've put together a short video using photographs that I was taken as I was doing the builds. If you enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs up or a comment, and please subscribe to the channel. Here comes the video. Hope you enjoy. Each kit consists of 100 parts and 100 magazines. It roughly costs between £800 to £1,000 per kit. It takes approximately 2 years to collect the whole lot. You can build it up as you go, but I waited the full 2 years to get mine. I prefer to build it complete rather than in stages, so I don't lose any parts or bits. There's not many photos of the X-Wing build, unfortunately, as I had workmen in at the time and I was trying to keep an eye on them rather than taking photos of the build, so apologies for this. But, as you can see, it's a decent sized project. This X-Wing is approximately 30 inch long and 28 inch wide. This X-Wing kit comes already weathered. For some reason the R2 and the Falcon didn't. Because this R2 unit has more functions than the Falcon and the X-Wing, it doesn't come with its own remote. You have to download an app off Play Store before you build the R2-D2, and everything you need to control it, the lights, the sounds, the projector, everything is on that app. This R2 unit is approximately 19 inch high and 12 inch wide. Unlike the X-Wing, this R2 unit doesn't come weathered. Instead, you have to buy a little weathering kit from Deagostini if you wanted to weather it. The hardest part to this kit was all the wiring, especially in the bodywork, with the 2 circuit boards and all the wiring plus connections and everything. It's very tricky to get your fingers in to actually connect the cables, but after getting them stuck a few times I managed to do it and it turned out pretty well. This kit was the most time consuming one to do. All the detailing and pipe work and everything on the outside of the Falcon needed gluing on individually. If you look on the inside, on the seating area and what have you, all around the doors, the little pads, each one of them were individual. You had to fasten every single one of them on, and onto the corridor ways as well. The seating, the pipe work, tunnels, the lot, everything was all individual. Just like the R2 unit, this Falcon doesn't come weathered, but unlike the R2 unit, it doesn't come with a weathering kit either, so you have to do it yourself using spray paints or other paints, whichever you decide. I'm not into all that, so I've just left mine as it is. The wiring on the Falcon wasn't as tricky as R2-D2, you just had to be careful when you put both parts together that you never trap the wires, otherwise the lights wouldn't have worked or the ramp wouldn't go up or down. This Falcon is approximately 36 inch long and 23 inch wide.